I feel very touched. I saw our soldiers were well organized in a high spirits, and a lot of military equipments and weapons were impressive. Over the past 80 years, our country has continuously worked hard to protect us and has paid a lot, which make us a current place and a stable life. I feel that the people of our country is very unique. Our country has always given Hong Kong very great support. Now we must remember the history and keep to learn from 5,000 years of the Chinese traditional Chinese culture and history. Cherish, please live today, recognize our own Chinese nation identity.
This is CGTN Radio. Hear the difference.